Hey, welcome to Healthy by Heath, and tonight I am going through my freezer. It's the fall, and in the fall what I like to do is I like to go through and just clean out my cupboards and clean out my refrigerator and my freezer, try to eat everything, make soups, make big casseroles, all that kind of stuff, and then, kind of start all over again with buying food and all that in the new year. So, over the next couple months, that's what I'll be doing. Tonight I grabbed a whole bunch of chicken that was frozen. They're chicken thighs, they're boneless and skinless for tacos, basically. I'm just gonna throw some of my Healthy by Heath hot oil in it, and then I'm gonna let it sit in the refrigerator. You really only need to let it sit for about an hour. I'll probably let it sit overnight, just because I like it really spicy. And the good thing about using the Healthy by Heath hot oil is that you get the spice at the end, so you get to taste all the flavors, and it's really good. And then yeah, that's it. So the rest of the chicken I went ahead and I put into the refrigerator. I washed it, I rinsed it, I dried it, and then put it into a plastic bag, and then it goes into the refrigerator. And that's just the way you do it. So yeah, let's go through all of our food together. And if you have chicken, I suggest you try this. If you want to buy some of the hot oil, just go to Healthy by Heath. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Cheers.